What's going on, YouTube world? Awesome Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm gonna break down for you guys exactly what I've done to gain over 750 subscribers in 1 month. Ladies and gentlemen, Awesome Lewis here, 25-year-old serial entrepreneur located in Scottsdale, Arizona. Actually at my house right now, just mustering up some things on our Facebook group, our ATM Facebook group. If you guys are interested, then definitely check out the link in the bio. But I really just want to come to you guys with this video and share with you guys as much value as potentially possible and share with you guys on how I was able to gain over 750 subscribers in literally 1 month. And technically the fiscal term would be 28 days with YouTube. And the ultimate reason to actually wanting to make this video is just to provide as much value as potentially possible for those of you that are gonna watch this video to the very end. My goal is to help you guys, each and every single one of you, go out there and generate over 1,000 subscribers on the platform of YouTube, so that way you guys can get monetized and start earning some cold, hard, passive income. Ladies and gentlemen, my journey on YouTube has happened well over now 2 years. I know some of you guys are like,
Austin, you only have 7,000 subscribers. How has it literally been 2 years for you?
Well, I actually started another channel called Awesome Lewis, and I started growing that, but I didn't essentially know how to grow on YouTube. I didn't essentially know what content to post. I didn't know what to title my videos. I didn't know what thumbnail to generate to bring individuals more exposed to my videos. I didn't know this thing called clickbait. Heck, I didn't even know what videos to come to you guys with, and ultimately what value it is that I should have brought you guys on this platform of YouTube. So I'm gonna pretty much just break down for those of you what it is that I've focused on my specific channel. That way you can actually personally go out there and do exactly the same thing. Now again, if you guys are not looking to grow on YouTube, I still strongly recommend each and every single one of you guys get on the platform of YouTube, simply because it is evergreen content. Again, another term I had never known about prior to actually getting involved in YouTube. Evergreen content, ladies and gentlemen, is essentially posting a video and evergreening it, meaning the grass growing, and as time goes on, the more views that it allows to have the video, and therefore every single person has the option, has the ability to actually view that video. Now again, if you are not looking to grow on YouTube, this is gonna be a phenomenal video for you. If you just have a big organization as an entrepreneur, this is gonna be a phenomenal video for you. And again, I believe YouTube is virtually for anybody. If you want to go out there and inspire a ton of people, YouTube is the platform to be able to go do that. If you want to go out there and teach, coach, and train and mentor individuals, then YouTube is a phenomenal platform for that. If you're looking to grow on YouTube, then YouTube is a phenomenal platform for you to grow. It gives you an even playing field where you can create your best and top-notch content so that you can go out there and inspire millions of people with your guys' day-to-day lives. Now, some of the things that I've focused on just posting my YouTube videos is I'm gonna start with number one, and that happens to be my thumbnails. As you guys have all heard the form clickbait, I literally did not realize how big clickbait is actually a thing. But more so, what I learned about my thumbnails is that my thumbnails kind of had to go off of what the title of my video essentially was. So, for example, if I had a thumbnail showing a house, and this house was, you know, a super beautiful house, and my title of the description and my title of the video was then look at my rundown house, it's not essentially playing off of what it is that you're essentially going for in the video. In fact, the video's not even about my big old glamorous house. It's actually about a fix and flip, for example. I'll give you guys another scenario here. So think about it like this. Let's just say I was teaching you guys how to make $1 million, okay? When I was age 22, I made $1 million, okay? By the age of 21, I made $1 million, but by 22, I was consistently every year making $1 million a year. But however, I was making a YouTube video for those of you that are watching this video, and the title of the video was how I made my first million by age 21. But the thumbnail was just me with a car, a Lambo, and a house. That doesn't so much give you an idea of what the video is about in the thumbnail, and it doesn't so much extremely tie into the description or the title of the video. So one thing I really had to focus on, and those of you that are watching this video really need to take into account, is your thumbnails. You have to make sure that they tie completely into the title of your guys' actual video. If it doesn't, then YouTube is less likely to actually push your guys' video in suggested videos. I know a lot of you guys come from the power of platform of TikTok, and I just want to welcome you guys. If you guys are from TikTok, I want you guys to drop in the comment section below. I want you guys to blow up this video. I want you guys to smash the like button because you guys are an absolute incredible community. If you guys are brand new here to my YouTube channel, Austin Lewis here. Again, make sure and subscribe. Come check out my other videos, but as well, do me a favor and smash a thumbs up on this video and focus on your guys' thumbnails. Now let's dive into the description. The description is something catchy. This is something that probably allowed you guys to actually click this video and want to learn more about what the video actually was. And again, my hook of the video is going to keep you guys to the very end of this video. And the ultimate reason to actually wanting to make this video is just to provide as much value as potentially possible for those of you that are going to watch this video to the very end. Now again, I just want to flat out say I'm not a YouTube genius. I do not know everything about everything. I am not this stud at all whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. But however, I have watched a lot of this guy, and I know exactly how to bring you guys the content that it is that you guys are looking for. Now again, like I said, I'm not him. But however, I have taken his course, I bought his course, and I do know a lot of the principles that he teaches inside that course is incredible. Those are a lot of the philosophies that I've inputted into my personal YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, your description is like SEO. Now, I know I was just talking to you guys about the title and how important the title of your guys' video is. Your title should be shorter. Your title should not be a big, long thing. Your title should be something where you actually sit down and actually think about what it is that that video is that ties into the thumbnail. So a lot of the times, ladies and gentlemen, I will think of my title before I actually think about my thumbnail. Once I have my title, I will then move into making my thumbnail photo. So your title could be $2,675 a month with passive income / the ATM business. So that individual that goes onto your channel or goes onto someone else's video and it's a suggested video, they see in the thumbnail something eye-catching, they read
$2,467 a month in passive income. I'm in. I want to click the video. They
go over, they click the video, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, your title matched your thumbnail. It was so eye-catching that they wanted to see what the video was about. They went to your channel. They now liked the video since that's what you guys are doing. They then came over and subscribed to your channel. And now you guys have a new subscriber, a new view, and a new like on your guys' channel. But more importantly, you guys have a new relationship because at the end of the day, that is all this is. Ladies and gentlemen, utilize the power of social media to generate relationships with individuals that you like, trust, and respect, and go out there and do things with these individuals. Make contacts, make connections with these individuals, start businesses, buy things from them, support each other, all sorts of different things. And so thumbnails was my biggest one that I focused on with my YouTube. Description, I made sure my description was very eye-catching and sexy that tied into my thumbnail. And now we're gonna go into my description. Okay, your description of the video should essentially be like a blog. I know it sucks at the end of the day because realistically, the last thing you want to do is you just made this entire video and now you guys want to come to it and into the description, you guys want to type about almost word for word, but not word for word, exactly what you said in the video. And some of you guys are like, Austin, I've seen YouTube videos that blow up that aren't like that, and you guys are absolutely correct. Again, there's a million ways to blow up on YouTube to gain 1 million subscribers. Just as you guys know, there's a million ways to make $1 million bucks. But these are some tips and tricks that I've learned from some YouTube gods that I think have helped me, and they're absolutely going to help those of you that are watching this video. Again, my purpose of this video is just to help you guys go out there and absolutely crush your goals and dreams. Absolutely go out there and blow up on YouTube if blowing up on YouTube is really an importance to you, or essentially just to get things right on you guys' YouTube. I think a lot of comments and a lot of questions down in the descriptions below have said, you know, I think a lot of you guys are missing out at the end of the day, and therefore, I think YouTube is a phenomenal platform for those of you that are watching this video. And so I think it's equal to every single person. I don't think if you're an extremely successful person or a very, very, very broke person, I don't think that there distinguishes any difference. For both of you have the same opportunity on the platform of YouTube. And it's better to do something than to do absolutely nothing. So back to your guys' description, make sure that the SEO is essentially what it is. Search engine optimization is 100% dialed in. Make sure with what it is that you shared in the video is exactly what you guys put in the description, because that is extremely important when people are going to search, when suggested videos are happening, because again, the SEO that YouTube actually looks at is in your description, in your title, as well as in your guys' thumbnails. So again, focusing on my description, making my description a little bit longer is essentially what I've done recently. Now moving into tags. Tags is a very interesting thing. Well, I'll give you guys an actual secret to actual posting your tags. If you guys are looking to blow up pretty quickly, all you guys got to do is whatever your video is about. Let's just say your video is about how to get into the ATM business. When you guys are doing your tags, you guys got to get really creative. All you actually have to do is type in ATM in the search bar of YouTube, and there's gonna be a list of 100 things, or 10 things, or 15 things, or 12 things that pop up. That, ladies and gentlemen, should be your tags, because that, at the end of the day, is what people are searching. So that is gonna be your guys' best tags. California ATM business, let it show you what else it has to offer, what other people are searching, boom, plug that in into your guys' tags. That way, your guys' video gets ranked on a higher availability and visibility to you guys' average individual going on YouTube and trying to watch your video or your topic of video. Ladies and gentlemen, those are kind of the top things that I've actually focused on with YouTube to be able to actually gain over 750 subscribers in 28 days. Now again, if you guys want me to come to you guys with more of my YouTube stats and essentially more of my testimonials and what I'm doing differently and what I'm focusing on, then make sure and drop in the comment section below. If you guys never want to see a YouTube video ever again, then drop in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for your love and support for watching this video. And if you guys haven't already, just for the love and support, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video, because it supposedly helps the YouTube algorithm. At least that's what this guy says, and this guy is essentially a YouTube god. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Austin Lewis here. I'm trying to come to you guys with the best quality content as potentially possible. I hope you guys got value from this video, which I'm sure you guys absolutely did. I'll see you guys on YouTube, but more importantly, we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.